Alright, hello everyone. I did a quick. I was just going through a Discord server for Discord JS help, and I saw someone needed help with localizations, so I decided to go ahead and do that since I think it's pretty important. Now, I only changed one command. It's a small change. It's only have to do with the info part, but yeah. So if you're going, I need to explain what localizations are first. So wherever you are in the world, you have a certain locale. So since I'm in the United States, my locale is EN US. If someone was from the UK, be EN UK. Again, if you're Portuguese or Brazilian, it'll be that PT and then BR. German is DE and Hungarian HU. And now these are from Google Translate, so they're not perfect. I was told that this here literally meant milk, apparently. Google Translate sucks, so I'll try and get people that speak these languages to help me actually do it correctly and translate. But anyway, either way, you can do this. So all you do is go to your command that you want in the info file, and then now I just put it under names, but you can really put it anywhere as long as it's in the info. But name underscore localizations. You have to open up with brackets, and then you need to go to the Discord developer portal, and there will be a website. So let me show you quick. Okay, so it will be right in here, Discord developers. It's called the Discord developer portal. Just sign in, and you'll see this. This is all the freaking bots I have made, and this one's been the one that I originally tested on, and then I have it's just. But here's the bot. But anyways, you want to go to documentation, then you want to go to reference. You want to scroll down till you see this locales, and these little letters right under here is what you will use. So DE is German, and that's the native name. But you will use DE if you want German. You will use, I think that's I or an L. No, it's L. If you want Italian, IT, Hungarian, HU, Portuguese, Brazil, PT, BR, Swedish, SV, SE, and you have to use this in order to do it. Okay, let's go back to the code quick. Alright, so now that's what you'll use, and then you just put the locale with the semicolons, and then the string of the translated name, and that's all you need to do for that. For the description, to change this, description, localizations, same thing. Now you can do this with options and everything else. You would have to do like, I forget what it was, but in the stuff, I should probably, so what I'll do is I'll actually show you guys, might as well, the ping command for choices and options, since I think it will be actually important for you. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and make the changes now, and I'll come right back. Okay, I'm back. I have changed ping as well. So as I said, when you're in the info here, under name, put name localizations, put the amount of languages you want to do, and then translate all of the strings to what the name is. Same with description, with the description. It's the same thing, description localizations. In options, you would do the same thing. Name localizations, all this, for this. Same with description localizations. It's nothing different as I came to figure out. And when you're doing choices, just do name localizations for this and name localizations for the other choice, and for as many choices, make sure value is just down here, make sure it's lowercase. Same with the names, make sure they're all lowercase, make sure everything is lowercase. Except for the names here, they don't need to be lowercase. They don't need to. You can make them if you want to, but they don't have to. Just a value. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all that does. Now I'll show you that this does work. And I'll have to change my settings, of course, but I'll do it in the 3 different languages. In German, Portuguese, and then Hungarian. So let's go to Discord then. Okay, I'm in Discord in this private section, but all that you have to do is \. See, I am right now in English. I'm in mine, so it shows normal. Now, if I go to settings, and then if I go to, yeah, as long as you can't see that, I'm fine. I don't really care if you see my user. As long as I go to language, switch this to, let's do German first. Everything changed. Exit. And now, \. Go here, and now look at that. Ping changed to what we want it to be. Now, information in German, I believe it's information, but now we have 2 things, ping or pong. This is what they are. We're going to do pong first. It should send pong. Once if I, wait, is the bot not, the bot isn't even on, what the fuck? Okay. Bot's on. Okay, now, go back to this. As you can see, it sends pong like it's supposed to, and then if I do it again, and I do the other one for ping, it will send the latency. Now, this does not change because we haven't actually, this here, because we actually manually put that text in. I'm not sure why this is. Let me look. It's probably because of something. Probably already have done it. Yeah, it's something, but it doesn't matter. I think it's in the interaction when we first make this embed, and then we went to create timestamp. Yeah, it must be the timestamp. Yeah, anyway. But as you can see, that works. If I do the latte command, which is this one, you'll send a picture of the cat. As you can see, cute cat. Now, let's go ahead and change back, not back, but like to a different one. So language is this one, and then I'll switch to US quick so I can read. We'll do Hungarian next. So now we switch to that. That's the language. Make sure to remember that. Now, if we do \, it will still show up because it hasn't automatically updated. But when we go here, we'll make sure it's updates. So keep clicking until it automatically updates. As you can see, right here, this is the latte command again. There we go. And then if we do ping, it's just ping, but you just can see in the information is changed because that's what information is. Same with the description. Ping pong, it's the same thing. Ping. Sends that, but this is different. And then same with pong. Just sends pong. Next is Brazil. Brazil, or not Brazil, what the fuck? Portuguese. But I guess there is Portugal and Brazil to speak it, so whatever. Backslash, do this again, wait till it changes, and now we have a different language. Here's latte. Do that again. Once it fucking sends, there we go. Do it again. Ping. Ping will send this with that. Ping, pong, real pong, or whatever. And that's what Google gave me, so I went with it. Pong. So as you can see, it does work. You can, but in order to test it by yourself or have anybody see that it works, they need to actually change the language in here to whatever the app to wherever it is, and then that will set your locale to that. I guess, but that's right. Normally, this setting is automatically determined by default. Usually, I would assume so, because for me it automatically did English US, and I don't think someone from Germany will have to go in manually to change the language to this. But yeah. So that's it. Easy way to implement that. All you gotta do is name localization, description localization, and that's it. Just know your locales and just get a translator to put it there, and there you go. Very easy to do. So anyway, that's it. See ya.